how to change phone number on Amazon account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can change your phone number on Amazon account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to change your phone number on Amazon account, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all, just make sure to launch the Amazon shopping application here. Once you launch the Amazon app, of course, you're going to see this type of interface where you have to just tap this little account button here. As you tap the account button, over there you'll be able to find this option called your account. Just make sure to tap on it. And as you tap on the your account option, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where you'll be able to see all these sorts of options, and you need to go to login and security. Once you go to login and security, what you want to do is over there you'll be able to see the phone number option. If you've already added a phone number, you'll find the edit button next to it. If you have not added a phone number, you'll find the add button next to it. Depending upon what you have, tap on the button here. Make sure to change the phone number or enter the new phone number that you'd like to use. Tap on continue. It will send the verification code. Once you verify the OTP code, you'll be successfully able to change your phone number. This way you can basically change the phone number on Amazon account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.